National Weather Service in Omaha has issued a tornado warning for south-central Saunders County, extreme northwestern Lancaster County until 7:45 p.m. At 7:09 p.m., Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This dangerous storm was located near White, or 19 miles northwest of Lincoln, and moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Wahoo, Valparaiso, and Fresco. This includes the following highways: Highway 77 between mile markers 81 and 93, Highway 92 near mile marker 446. Motorists should not take shelter under highway overpasses. If you cannot safely drive away from the tornado, as a last resort, either park your vehicle and stay put, or abandon your vehicle and lie down in a low-lying area and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. for the following counties: in Nebraska, Lancaster and